In this video, we are going to continue with the general term of an AP. You will find this on page 46 in the Namibian AS-Level Mathematics textbook, y equals mx plus c to success. Let's look at an example. Which term in the arithmetic sequence is the first to be greater than? Now, as soon as you see the word greater, then you think greater. Okay, not equal, greater than 600. Okay, so we do exactly the same, but instead of putting an equal, we put greater. Then we write the formula, we substitute. But don't forget, if you look at this, this is now a linear inequality. And that's important. Okay, so we solve it. So just remember with linear inequalities, as soon as you divide by a negative, the sign will swap, but you didn't divide by a negative. Now, don't forget, like I said in the previous videos, n can just be a whole number starting from 1. Okay, natural number. So it cannot be 86.3. So in this case, if it's 86, it will still be less than 600. And you can go and test it. But if it's 87, so you round up, then it will be bigger than 600. Okay. I think it's all right if you just do one. Let's do the second one. Stop the video and do number 2. You can continue the video as soon as you are finished. Which term in the sequence is the first to exceed 700? Okay, I always like to first write down the sequence. Okay, now because they don't tell you it's an AP, so just do quickly the test. So if you say 14 minus 5, that's 9. 23 minus, that's 9. So it's definitely an AP. So just, because now I'm busy doing APs, but usually they don't tell you it's an AP and you have to test it yourself. Okay, so again, I can say the term A, or A is 5, and again D, I get by saying T2 minus T1 or T3 minus T2. So it's 14 minus 5, and that is 9. And then the first to exceed, okay? So first to be less. I should have actually taken less, but it doesn't matter. So I'm saying that Tn is exceed, means greater, so bigger than 700. Now what is Tn? It's A plus D bracket n minus 1. So in the place of A, I put 5. In the place of D, I put 9. N minus 1, bigger 700. So 5 plus 9n minus 9. So this is going to be 9n. So this is going to be negative 4. And if it goes over, it's going to be plus 4. So it's going to be 704. Now, because it's positive, I don't worry. I just divide. I divide by 9. The sign don't swap. So I'm getting that n is bigger than 78.2. But 78 will still be smaller, and I want bigger. So therefore, so I'm just going to round up. So and I round up, 79th term is the first term larger than 700. Okay, and that's how you do it.